Oh, pardon me, I've had too many hazelnuts. Volkswagen got in touch and said, oh, we noticed you haven't driven a T-Roc yet. And I was like, no, I haven't. And they said, would you like to borrow one for a week? And I was like, yeah, I'd like that, because I've not driven one. It would be good to compare it to the competition that's out there, so I've got a bit of that knowledge. Potentially write a review for one of the outlets that I write for. And I've got to go to IKEA to get a bunch of stuff for my new office. So it arrived. My wife actually signed for the car because I wasn't there. Don't know if she took it for a little blast or not. She keeps that stuff secret. But I arrived back home and it wasn't exactly what I had in mind, because it's got 4 exhaust pipes, a pretty racy paint job, and a little R logo on the back. And yeah, it's a bit of a weapon. But I really like hazelnuts are like just fizzing around in my stomach. So this Volkswagen T-Roc R, I don't know how, I suppose that's how you say it, unless it's like T-Roc R. This Volkswagen T-Roc R, it sort of passed me by a little bit. I don't know whether that's me just not being very good at my job and reading other people's reviews and stuff like that. And it's pretty obvious that it was going to happen, because Seat have got the Ateca and Audi have got various like hot SQ models. But yeah, it passed me by, and it was actually a bit of a surprise getting in this, because I didn't think it would be quite as fruity as it is. And it's obviously a Golf R, like on stilts, but if you do a bit of further reading into it, they have spent a lot of time making it good. Apparently it's been around the Nürburgring like thousands of times, and they've been tuning the suspension and everything for this particular sort of mildly jacked up height, but it is rapid, and I sort of like it.
Hello, bastards!
It's quite a funny run. I would definitely use more arms. Lay my cockily down for a rest.
Cockily down, lane. Come forward. No, this way. Right. That's it.
I shouldn't have eaten so many hazelnuts.
What?
I should have eaten so many hazelnuts before I left. They're just rattling around in my stomach.
What are we doing here?
We are being really good consumer journalists and doing a bit of consumer testing here. We're in IKEA. So can we fit a couple of desks, a couple of office tables in the old T-Roc R? And will it still perform? Full of IKEA stuff. Let's find out.
Can we go? Are we going straight for meatballs?
Yeah, we can have some meatballs. Let's try that hydraulics. Nice. Yeah, nice. I'll take it. 23.11 for the desks.
11. They are.
No, that's 21. 23. Here we go.
Well, you have to move them out of the way.
Is that going to go in a T-Roc?
Yeah, should do. It's longer than 2 meters, isn't it?
I hope so.
What are you doing?
Awkward overhang.
Just push it forward.
I can't.
Torkel.
Talk of the town.
Yeah, I remember. It's a weird shape.
He's in. Chair done. Desktop done. Bag of dime bars not done. Jesus, man.
Yeah, that fits.
It's the other one.
Ah.
Eat one. Eat one.
They all fell out at the start.
As a true test of the T-Roc R, T-Roc R's capabilities, we've, as you can see, created a partition down the middle of the vehicle, which separates myself from the passenger. It's proof that you can get a 2 metre long office desk inside your T-Roc, no worries. But it's also proof that it takes quite a lot of neck work to just give yourself a little mirror check there on the left. I'm not sure how legal this is, but yeah, it's great. Look what you can fit in here: office chair, desk, 2 massive rugs, and some coat hangers, and a tray of meatballs, which have made the...
They're on the floor now.
Yeah, they're on the floor, and they've also made the entire cabin smell like pedigree chum, which is not very nice. All right, mate. All right, mate. Yeah, nice chin. Yeah. Seen the new desks safely delivered by the T-Roc R, which I have to say I really enjoyed last week. An immense little piece of kit, because I'm not usually a fan of SUVs, as I probably banged on about in the video to begin with, but when they're that much fun to drive, it's fine, absolutely fine. And as a family vehicle, I think probably a little bit more practical than a Golf R, definitely easier to get in and out of. You can definitely get an IKEA shop in there. You can definitely make your passenger nearly choke on meatballs because of the performance. And yeah, it's just all round brilliant little piece of kit, and something that, you know, if I had the money and I was in the market for a feisty little SUV, that would probably where my money would go.